guys, this is Cam from EasyA. This video is going to be on integers, BIDMAS, multiples and factors. So let's get started.
So let's start off with some terminology. An integer is just another word for a whole number. 1 through 7 are all integers, but any kind of decimal or fraction is not an integer. Place value is a concept which we can use to order numbers. Each digit in this number has a specific place value. For example, the 3 is worth 3 million. When ordering integers, start with the leftmost place value digit, as that represents the largest digit, and then move to the right. We can use the inequality symbols to write down comparisons between numbers. The open side of the bracket points towards the larger number. Adding a line underneath the symbol means it is also true when the numbers are equal. Finally, this symbol means that the numbers on either side are not equal to each other. When working out calculations, it's important to use BIDMAS or BODMAS, which specifies the order of which you should do your calculation. If you work left to right, it looks like these two calculations here give different results, but applying BIDMAS shows that they both equal 17. When doing a calculation with division and multiplication, for example, just work left to right as normal. Multiples of a number are that number multiplied by any other integer. For example, here's some multiples of 3. A factor of a number is any integer that multiplies by another integer to get that number. We can work out factors of a number by writing down factor pairs. These are pairs of numbers that multiply together to get the original number. Start with the smallest factor and work your way up. All of the numbers used here are factors of 24. Let's write down the factors of 11. You might notice that it only has 2 factors, itself and 1. This means that it's a prime number. A prime number is any number that only has factors of itself and 1. Numbers that have more than 2 factors are known as composite numbers. You may not think it, but 1 is not a prime number. Let's move on to the concept of highest common factors and lowest common multiples. The highest common factor is the highest factor that goes into both numbers. For example, the highest common factor of 12 and 8 is 4. Now, on to lowest common multiples. The lowest common multiple of two numbers is the smallest number that's a multiple of both numbers. Writing out the factors of both numbers can help us work this out. For example, the lowest common multiple of 15 and 6 is 30. Now, onto a higher level topic of prime factorization. We can draw a factorization tree here to help us find the prime factors of a number. Each underlined number here is a prime number, and they all multiply together to get the original number. Let's do this with another number as well, and we can use the prime factors of both to work out the lowest common multiple and the highest common factor between the numbers. To find the highest common factor, find the prime factors that appear in both lists and times them together. Then cross them off and multiply the rest of the prime factors together to find the lowest common multiple.
Thank you for watching this EasyA Maths recap video. Check out our YouTube channel for more maths recaps, or get the EasyA app on the Apple and Android app stores to get unlimited on-demand maths tutoring right from your smartphone.